WordPress powers over 43% of websites. But even a small mistake during installation can lead to big headaches. Let's avoid the top 13 pitfalls and get your site running smoothly. Mistake number 1. Cheap hosting. Slow servers hurt SEO and user trust. Fix. Choose a host built for WordPress, like SiteGround or WP Engine. Mistake number 2. Using admin as your username. Hackers love this. Always create a unique username and a strong password during setup. Mistake number 3. Skipping SSL. Without HTTPS, browsers warn visitors your site isn't safe. Most hosts offer free Let's Encrypt certificates. Enable it. Mistake number 4. Default database settings. Never use WP_ as your table prefix. Pick something random like XYZ_ to block SQL injection attacks. Mistake number 5. Deleting all default themes. If your custom theme crashes, you need a fallback. Keep 2024 installed. Mistake number 6. Forgetting mobile testing. Over 60% of traffic is mobile. Test your site on phones and tablets before launch. Mistake number 7. Ignoring updates. Always update WordPress, themes, and plugins immediately. Outdated software is a hacker's playground. Mistake number 8. No caching. Slow sites lose visitors. Install WP Rocket or enable host caching for instant speed boosts. Mistake number 9. Not monitoring uptime. Use Uptime Robot to get alerts if your site goes down. Downtime equals lost revenue. Mistake number 10. Installing too many plugins. Every plugin slows your site. Delete inactive ones and keep only essentials. Mistake number 11. Forgetting your tagline. Just another WordPress site. Screams, I didn't care. Update it under Settings, General. Mistake number 12. Sending emails from a generic address. Set up a professional email like hello@yoursite.com for trust and better deliverability. Mistake number 13. Keeping the default login URL. Use a plugin like WPS Hide Login to change it to something unique. Bye-bye, brute force attacks. Avoid these 13 mistakes, and your WordPress site will be fast, secure, and ready to grow. Drop a heart below if this helped, and subscribe for more WordPress tips.